Robbie Gelman, what is the normal due diligence time frame you put on your wholesale contracts? Does this change in different markets?
That's a great question.
Perfect.
So what I would suggest is always a minimum of 10 days. And this actually came up with Bart. So on a mastermind call yesterday, so Bart, who's totally doing the 5-day challenge, he's super active in it. We love it. But Bart was saying, I actually submitted several offers, and I'm in negotiation right now on one of them. And I was like, okay, well, what are you negotiating about? And he said, and I don't think it was price. He's like, he came back with 4 days. So Bart had asked for 10 days due diligence. The guy came back with 4, and I was like, there's no way you can't do it. Even if he was going to close himself, I'm like, it's a brand new market. No matter what, you need 10 days. Like, it takes time to coordinate all those people. But on top of it, if you know you're going to wholesale the deal, you for sure need at least 10 days. So if you can ask for 15, if you can get a longer due diligence period, it just buys you more time to go sell the deal. But so I'd say minimum 10, but ideally if you can get more, it just takes off some pressure so you can wholesale your deal. And you know what happened, it also came up yesterday, someone was asking, well, what happens if you get to day 10, you haven't sold it yet? What I've advised the students in our mastermind is, look, you might end up finding a buyer on day 13, 14, or 15, and you may not. And the problem is going past your due diligence period, let's say it's 10 days, is that once you go past that time, your earnest money deposit becomes non-refundable. And and Jen and I are in a position where we can roll the dice on that. We can look at it and go, okay, well, it's this much money. If we lose it, we lose it, right? We've done enough deals, and it's not even about the finances. It's more of like the mental side of that. If you end up losing an earnest money deposit as your first deal, how likely is it that you're going to stick in real estate? You're probably going to get frustrated and say, forget this, it doesn't work. And it does work. There's certain things you want to do, one of which is protect your earnest money deposit. So if you don't wholesale your deal in the first 10 days, then just back out of the deal and just keep going.
Yeah.
If you're interested in learning more about real estate investing or investing in passive income, multifamily, or apartments, feel free to join our free private Facebook group. If you know that you want help, you want someone to hold your hand, and you want to be part of a mastermind and have coaching, all that you need to do is text the word freedom to 619-373-8461. So if you just want to see, like, what is that about and how can I speed up my results and do it more safely, I'd be happy to chat with you about what your options are and see what we can do to help you along your journey.